Magic Vents Tarot, and this is a channeled message from your Divine Masculine. So we are in between eclipses, and 2019 is a massive year for the twin flames, and this reading, this message was heavily requested by all of you. I got so many requests on my email and my Insta asking me to channel a message from the Divine Masculine, from the twin flames. So here it is, angels. Before we begin, these are general readings, angels. They may resonate with you or they may not, so take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest behind. Also, angels, these are timeless readings, so whenever you come across them, these readings will help you and assist you in some way, angels. Please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel. It helps to stay connected with you all. Please do follow us join us on Instagram and Facebook. I do a lot of interactive readings and a lot more there. So please do join us there. If you want to buy a personal twin flame reading or an angel love spell, angels, please check the links in the description box below. So let us begin and see what is the message from your Divine Masculine. What is the DM feeling or going through at the moment, and what is happening with them? So let us see that. What is the collective message from the Divine Masculine at the moment? I feel their collective energy is that they are going, the divine males, masculines are going through an energy that is, you know, they feel very left out, they feel deserted, they feel that things are not going as they have thought about. They are feeling that they have wandered far off from the path, and they feel a very strange disconnection with the Divine Feminine at the moment. The Divine Masculine feels that they are going through a path where, you know, they are walking in the desert and feel that they have no rain or love of the Divine Feminine, and they know they have wandered off the path. That is what I feel. They are coming back to their senses, where they feel that they have lost touch with the Divine Feminine, or they did something, you know, that made them lose this touch or connection with the Divine Feminine they had, and they are coming back to their senses. You know, they have walked this they have walked this path in the desert where they felt, you know, where they choose a path without you, and now they suddenly realize, oh my God, that what they had done. So let us see what's happening in their heart, you know, in the physical world of them. What is happening? Oh my God, there's a lot happening in the physical world. You'll see many of the Divine Feminine Masculine at the moment are taking a recluse. They are not talking to others. They might getting off social media. They are trying to get away from people and be with themselves. They might even be going into journeys or trips or retreats. You know, some of them are also trying to hear more music and things like that, or create music also. I feel the Divine Masculine's heart is really burdened at the moment, and they want to stay away from people, even the Divine Feminine for the time being, because, you know, you can see this energy. They need some time for themselves. I feel that the Divine Masculine has realized that in the 3D world, they have built structures, they have built a home, they have built something, they have built their career, but the thing they wanted to build was the love and connection with you, and that's entirely gone, and that's why they feel this barren, you know, this deserted, empty feeling. They feel that they have found everything they were looking for, but it has no meaning without you. And that realization has hit them hard, you know. It has hit them so hard. See, here's the Kali, the Tower card. I feel the ego, the Divine Masculine has been through, or the past karmic issues, relationships, or their own beliefs. They are all started to disintegrate, and they are feeling the pressure of this disintegration at the moment. They feel that the structures they were building are no use if you are not with them. And that is a very, very significant development that's happening, and this will happen over the years in the year 2019, friends. And there is this energy where they might be leaving a lot of structures they have built, and they are taking their time to decide what they really want or what is the path ahead of them, because they can see that things are breaking, their heart is breaking, there are tears, their structures in their life are breaking, their partnerships, everything seems meaningless without the divine feminine. And yes, the time will come, the goddess Kali has activated the energy of taking away what is not real in the divine masculine's life. So yes, they will leave the structures behind and take the path of love for themselves and for you. So let us see what's happening in them for the heart side, the heart's energy. I'm sorry, let's see. Yes, see, in the heart, they want these changes that they are going through. These changes in their world, in the divine masculine's world at the moment, may seem very, very big and dramatic, and they might feel like they are going through hell, the darkest night of their soul. But in their heart, they feel completely free of fear and absolutely reunited, and with this intention of reuniting with their divine feminine. In their heart, they know what is right, and in their 3D world, things are breaking apart. It's like in their structured life, things have started to crumble. Things they valued have been changing, and in their heart there is this sense of freedom and peace that's coming in. They know you are there. They think of you, the divine feminine. The divine masculine is thinking about you. They want to take that leap of faith towards you. They want to connect with you. Many of the twins might reconnect in 29. Not just reconnect, but come out as powerful couples together. That is what is happening. And I also feel that they are trying to, they have matured. The divine masculine has matured over the period of time. So for those who met their divine counterparts in like 2000, 2005, 2017 or something, or on those similar grounds, they might feel, if you meet your twin flame or divine masculine at the moment, they will appear more mature to you and more grown up to you. And if it's not their current energy, you will see this change coming in them in the coming months ahead. So yes, and what is it they want? The divine masculine wants in their heart for you. They want love. They want this nurture. They want to nurture the divine feminine. They want to build a nest with you, and not just a nest. They want to build a home with you. They want your happiness. If they are happy, if they have built a structure for themselves, they also want your life to be structured and happy also. They want to build something with you. That is what they want in their heart. So what is the overall energy of the divine masculine? Let us see, friends. Oh my God, see, this is the divine twin flames coming together. See, this is what they want. In the spiritual realms, I feel that the twin flames, or the twin flame and the divine masculine and feminine, their connection is getting stronger and stronger. You can feel they are thinking about you. They can feel you are thinking about them. They are sending notes of love to you. Listen to the music that's coming your way. I feel, especially if you catch music suddenly, like as signs, walking down the path, you are walking on the street and you hear some music. Watch out on that, because that is something your twin flame or divine masculine has sent you as a message. I feel they want to assure you, all the divine masculines are trying very, very hard to assure the divine feminine that they truly love them. They are truly sorry for what has happened in the past. This energy, this barren thing, this barren land they have put themselves and you in, they are sorry for it. They are absolutely and heartfelt sorry for it, and they want to sing loads of love to you, and they want to shower you with love, and they know that they had to take this journey towards you, and they are preparing themselves. You see, the traveler is ready, and they have not started taking the steps, but they are packing their bags. You can see the divine masculine is packing their karma, settling it, packing their bags, and trying to move on towards you. And indeed, in the spiritually, you are with them in the union. And I don't know why this song keeps coming to me. Elvis Presley's "Are You Lonesome Tonight?" So for some of you, do go and check out that song. It is the message from your divine masculine trying to serenade you and say he's sorry for all that you had to go through. They are sorry, and they really do love and appreciate you and want to reconnect with you and want to show you that they are loyal to you, and they are loyal with your love and affection. And what else is there? See the Death card. Yes, things are changing in the structured world for them. Things are changing with you also. Things are clearing up, and yes, the chance of communications and reuniting or clearing something is coming for you. That's the message from the divine masculine. They want to tell you that they love you, and they see you as the as their counterpart, the goddess, as the as love personified. You must also see yourself this way. I think the divine masculine wants to tell you, you are not this woman who is suffering. You are this woman who is the goddess of everything, who has the world at her feet. That is their message. What they might have done to you have confused you, but they want to sing this song to you. Sing songs of love, sing songs of power, singing you songs that remind you of your goddess energy. So yes, if they are the kings, if they have the god energy within them, although we are both male and females, god and goddesses within us, but if they are personified god energy, you have the goddess energy, and cherish it. That is their message for you. What else is the message from the angels? Big picture and responsibility. They understand, the divine masculine understand that they have a responsibility towards you and the twin flame connection. They see it. They might have forgotten it in the process, in the karmic relationships and the career, money, all those issues, family. They might have forgotten it, but they're now realigning to the fact that they have a responsibility towards you. And they know there's a bigger picture at work now. What is happening at the moment in your twin flame relationship or in your twin divine masculine's life will lead to bigger picture and a big theme ahead. So many of the twins might reunite ahead in the coming times, or you will see a reunion or some sort of karmic or clearing that will help your bond as a twin flame and put you more on a better spiritual path together. So focus on the big picture for the movement, divine feminines and divine masculines. This is the most important message from. Focus on your goddess energy and your godlike energy. Focus on the purity of love that you have, the purity of this connection, and try to move out of the 3D realities. That is what the message is from the divine masculine. This is a very, very powerful message, and this is a powerful year for twin flame partnerships. So focus on the big picture. Do not be so hung up about the past. So that's it for now, friends. If you enjoyed this channel message, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to buy a personal twin flame partner reading or twin flame angel love spells, please check the links in the description box below. I truly appreciate the love and support you have given me. Thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe us here and join us on Instagram and Facebook. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.